on, everybody? I am making a video today to showcase everything I bought from our little 3-day pass adventure. So day 1 we went to Disneyland. Day 2 I did not record the California adventure trip, but on day 3 we did record that. So I'm gonna start off with the boring stuff and then move on to the more exciting things. So I got a few pins from Galaxy's Edge. I'm not really a big pin collector, but I thought these were pretty cool. Yeah, these are pretty cool. I just kind of keep them just to collect them. So Cassidy got me these two for my birthday, and then we got some keychains. Got this Kylo Ren keychain right there. Each of them light up. We both got the Kylo Ren one. This one is, well, it's labeled as Rey, but we all know it's Luke's or Anakin's. But yeah, it says Rey. I don't know if you could read that. Hopefully, yeah. And then we have Darth Vader. Oh yeah, and then on Galaxy's Edge they have these soda bottles. If you watch the movie, you would kind of recognize where this is from. This is a little thermal detonator from the movie Return of the Jedi. They have this one in Coca-Cola, and they have it for they have one for the Sprite also. And then on Galaxy's Edge, we also got these two plushies.
Yay! Oh, it doesn't want to get up.
So, my favorite character, Darth Maul. And this little guy, Grogu. It's not meant for a dog toy, but, well, this is, see, like he's already keeping an eye on his little toy, because he knows.
He loves it.
Yeah, he knows this is his little toy. Like, yeah, he'll go crazy.
Yeah.
Why don't you tell him why you got this plushie for him?
It was the cutest one.
So she got the cutest one for our little puppy here.
Cause Goku's cute.
Mm-hmm. And this is his favorite toy, actually. He has a lot of toys, but he spends the most time with this one.
Yeah, he really attacks that one.
Oh yeah, and it's in pretty good shape.
Yeah, it's very durable.
Yeah,
that's why I got it too, because I saw the knitting and it's like very
good quality. Yeah.
Stitching.
Yeah, he loves this toy.
So I knew that he wouldn't be able to rip it too fast.
And we've had this since March. It's already May, and it still looks really, really good. It seems like he loves this thing. It's his favorite. Alright, we're gonna let him play with that throughout the whole video until he gets tired.
Is that your friend?
So on day 2, we went to California Adventures about a month after our first visit to Disneyland. The only thing I really got there was this little gauntlet cup holder. You just slip it on right here, and you place your drink right there. This lights up all the Infinity Stones. Let's see if it shows. So you can't really see it, I mean, unless you go up close. For whatever reason, the green one, it doesn't light up, but all the other ones do. Yeah. I like it. Nice little souvenir for when you go to California Adventures.
Is it comfortable?
Actually, not really. I think I was complaining the whole time I had it. Literally, this part of my thumb got really red and it felt like my thumb was twisting, so buyer beware. We're gonna move on. So I got a little AT popcorn holder. The little legs move around like so, even the little head. And here is where you would fit your popcorn. I thought that was pretty cool.
And the strap says Star Wars.
I thought this was a pretty cool souvenir. I had it in my locker the whole time because I just didn't want to carry it the whole time. I was already carrying a camera around. And then I was carrying this also. So I didn't want to carry a whole lot of stuff, so we just put everything in the locker. This is a cup holder. It opens up like that. put your cup in there. So you pretty much have, you know, a drink, and you have your popcorn to eat as you're walking around Disneyland. So you get to drink and eat popcorn in style. And this little guy is BB, what do we name him? FK19. It comes with this controller. The one flaw about this droid is that you kind of have to open its shell to turn it on and turn it back off. And then you have to reattach the head. The head, it's pretty, it's solid, you know, like everything's solid. It's magnetized like that, see? I could, you know, tilt it upside down even. And the head is still attached. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it a lot. And then on the third day we got a little R2 unit. I still have not come up with a name yet. Maybe you guys could figure out a name? I don't know, leave it in the comments. Anyways, I wanted to match this one with my BB droid. I kind of like this one as much. Well, actually I do. I like it as much as the other one because they're both the same color. This one, I feel like you have more control over, and there's a lot more things to build, more things to drill.
More things you can customize it with because you can change the color.
Exactly, yeah. It came out really good, and like I said, I wanted to match the color with the BB. Yeah, it looks good. I like it. It just sucks that I freaking dropped it, and I'm glad that she got it on video because.
Well, they checked it. It was okay. Though.
Yeah, they did check it. But yeah, I thought that was I thought it was funny how I freaking dropped it in like the first not even 5 minutes.
Because you were holding it by the leg that wasn't attached yet.
Yeah, that was my mistake. So don't make the same mistake I did if you plan on building a droid.
Just leave it on the table.
Put it on the table. Yeah, don't make the same mistake I did. I saved my favorite things for last. We're gonna move on to the lightsabers. So here is the case for the Legacy lightsaber for Cal Kestis. Now Cal Kestis isn't from any of the movies or even the TV shows. He's from the video game Star Wars Fallen Order. Cool little case. So here it is. It's really, really nice quality. Like so, it's made of aluminum metal. It's got some weight to it actually. Try that really quick.
There's not a lot of weight. There's more weight over here at the top.
On the top,
this part seems a little bit rubberized.
Yeah,
slightly
definitely.
Better grip because it is heavier on the top. So.
But it's like that for a reason. And the reason being is because you can attach 2 of them. And yes, I did buy 2 of them. You could attach each end together, like so. Yeah, they could go together. And it looks really cool, I think, when you have a staff like that. And of course, both blades go at the end of it. The blades are sold separately. It does not come with a blade. Yeah, I think this looks really good. And of course, I can't make this video without the Savvy's Workshop lightsaber. There are 4 different themes to choose from, and I went with the power and control. Here's what it looks like. So what's cool about these lightsabers is that you could pick whatever blade color you want, depending on the kyber crystal inside. Right now, I have a red one. I went ahead and got this white kyber crystal, and when you change the kyber crystals, it does change the color of the blade. And every time you go to Savvy's Workshop and you build one of these, they give you a special pin. This one is my power and control pin. So here are the blades. There are 2 different ones in sizes. One is a 31 inch and the other is a 36 inch. When you buy these in Galaxy's Edge, I think it's like only like a $5 difference. So it's like you might as well just pay for the extra 5 for extra 5 inches. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much everything I got. Pretty big haul, I would say. So that's pretty much everything. I had a lot of fun. Did you have a lot of fun?
Yes.
Yeah, we don't ever we don't usually go to Disneyland often. We're not pass holders or anything like that, and it had been maybe 4 or 5 years since I last gone, and it was probably about, how long for you?
Like 4 years ago.
So 4 years for you also. Okay. And that was for grad night.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it had been a good while before going, and the last time I went, they didn't have Galaxy's Edge, so it made it that much more special that they had it. So yeah, thanks for hanging out, guys. Okay, so just like, comment, subscribe, and then we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.